assignments that are due or that were due? Do you have any assignments on what I've been saying to you? I think some of you are doing pretty well. What I'd like to see students is go beyond what you need to do just to answer questions. So you need to like actually describe what's going on. You can put more into it. Remember, you're establishing a set of notes. These are the things that we are talking about in class. That's why we pick them up. Now, there's a few that we may not talk about, but the things that we'll refer to them in class, like one of them that we're going to get today is the dynamic equilibrium. So take out your notes that you did. What was it? What was that, chapter 3 on dynamic equilibrium? What was the question?
It just says, using diagrams, describe the concept of dynamic equilibrium. How does this relate to our atmosphere?
Okay, so that diagram that you had, a lot of you had that 2 lines. Where did you get that diagram? Was that from the book?
I got mine from Google.
Hold on, let's do dynamic equilibrium. So a lot of you had this diagram, right? And I'm not sure. Do you know what this diagram is saying?
Sharing your screen.
Oh, thank you, Sam. Put you guys over there. So you had like a diagram that looks like this, right? Mm-hmm. And I'm not sure what this is supposed to mean. So if I go to Wikipedia, now, granted, you're probably told don't use Wikipedia very often. And that's true for anything that's got any sort of controversy, because it can throw your thinking off. But when you're going here for science, most things in science outside of global warming will probably be addressed pretty well, pretty balanced here, okay? So, you know, it has this whole thing. Now, obviously, are you going to do stuff with equations? Are you going to put that in there? No. Are you going to do concentrations of this in ice? Do you know what this even means? I have no idea what this means. So I'm going to say nice things to you. Okay, you did a good job trying to get diagrams in there, but you didn't really explain to me what dynamic equilibrium. So let's do this for a second, okay? Let's go into your own words, and then we'll come back to Wikipedia. What does it mean in your own words?